Amazing what you find when you clean out the studio. I have a haul for you today. Hey, it's Care. Welcome to My Take It Late. I have a haul for you. I didn't expect to have a haul. I've been participating in the Jenny Belly Super Studio Spruce Up Challenge, for lack of a better word. Glad to know I'm not the only one with a craft room full of chaos. There's lots of us out there. That's all good news, sort of. And it was nice to kind of work along, knowing that out there were a whole bunch of other people plugging along and emptying drawers and reorganizing. And it's been, even though I wasn't terribly active in the comments and the chats and whatnot, I was busy cleaning, right? I found a bag of Dollar Tree stuff that Dollar Tree and Meijer, a couple things from Meijer. And I swear this is all deja vu. It seems to me I did this. I have checked my camera. I have checked the YouTube channel. I've checked everywhere. And I didn't do this. So forgive me if you've heard this before. One of us is living in a different time-space continuum. It's most likely me. So if you've seen this before, just bear with me, you know, smile and nod and pretend she's okay. Anyway, lots of fun stuff. We'll jump right in. Baker's twine on a different kind of reel. Usually it comes in a little flat package, and there's, I think, quite a bit less than these have. I got 2 black and a purple. Fun. Love those. I believe it was Nicole at Relax Cut Glue had mentioned they had this metal ribbon. Very flexible and bendy, although it's pretty hardy. They only had one roll left, and I got it. Metal ribbon. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I love silver. I think it will go good in a black and white journal. An all black and silver journal would be pretty awesome. I think silver goes with anything. And it's kind of, it's not super bright, so it would go vintage or bright. It could go either way. I love it. I hope they get more. Of course, I'm not going anymore. I've cleaned the studio, and holy Hannah, I have enough for 78 different crafters to craft for the rest of their life. I don't need any more stuff. But oh, it's fun. Oh, it's fun. Speaking of silver and white ribbon. Beautiful. Nice, shiny, sparkly. Gotta love a little bit of shiny. Beautiful ribbons. It's transparent, and it's an odd color, like sort of coffee brown, could be gray, taupe, real dark taupe. It's really, really pretty. So it could go my coffee journal, could go vintage. I think it could go with anything, so yay. And these two, a nice soft, a little bit darker than Dove Gray, and a grayish lilac. It looks really pink in the camera. It's not. It's a very dusty lilac. Awesome. Ribbons. Look at it. Oh, how fun are these? It's either a pug. Yeah, it must be a pug. Looks like a pug. I don't know what that is with the curly tail and the big head. Not sure. He almost looks like a lion, but lion, but I don't know what he is. I just know they're dogs, and they're fabulous. Little paw prints, blingy bones. You know I'm going to use those. How bloody fun is that? Some super fun stickers. These top ones are 3-dimensional. Ever so slightly 3-dimensional. Very vintagey. Cool motorcycle. Lovely old car. Some glitter going on there. I just love these. This has got glitter. A little bit of glitter on most of them, it looks like. The burger's all glittery. Sparkly. Scary, scary night. Movie night. And then, like, marquee lights. Stickers. Just fun. This was in the school supply section rather than the craft section. This is across the aisle in the school section. School supplies. Dollar Tree has these great packs of offcuts. I mean, throw some glitter in there, ooh, it's stinky. Smells like chemicals. Green, that glitter is getting everywhere. Beautiful. Purple. Wow. What happened there? What is that? Kind of messy on the other side. I don't know what's up with that. Are they all like that? Oh, look at all the purple. Deep, deep eggplant. Dark, dark mulberry. Yes, they are different. Yes, they are different. Talking to most of the guys out there. It's purple. It's mulberry and eggplant. It's different. Wow, these are really different. And it's thick. It's not going to say cardstock because that's not accurate. But how fun. I'm sure there are offcuts and mistakes, but look how grungy. You know, right up our alley. For $1.25, this is a lot of stuff to play with. Some are thicker than others. That's cardstock for sure. Do I have it upside down? More different. Can amethyst, another purple. Lots of purple. Holy smack, did I pick the right one? And green. Some squares. That's real pearlescent. Two of those? Yeah, there's a couple of those. That's nice and heavy. Some super lightweight green. Way more of that pearlescent. Lots of that. It's like wedding pearl, you know, on almost every wedding invitation of the 80s. I don't know what they're looking like now, but it's wedding invitation pearlescent. Very pretty. What are these? This is black. All about the same. Kind of rough edges. Those are cool. This is almost like handmade paper. It's got lots of speckles in it. Some sparklies. Gold flecks. And that's pretty heavy too. It feels like heavy construction paper. There's quite a bit of that. Look at all the sparkles in there. Some are more jazzed up than the others. But again, for $1.25, and I'm pretty sure my mom got me a package of this either for Christmas or maybe it was my Easter basket. Yes, I am in my 50s and my mom still gets me an Easter basket. That's how spoiled I am. I love it. Anyway, lots and lots and lots of papers for $1.25. Don't forget the sparkly one. We have to separate it though because he's contaminating everything. Look at, there's glitter everywhere. Okay, well that was fun. I got another package of this. I know this was in another haul. I got it because it was gray, but it's actually that pretty silver. and I wasn't sure how long they'd have it. I really love this gray, so I picked up another pack. Some nice leaves, just something simple, you know. It doesn't have to be, I love these. It doesn't have to be anything complicated. Some fun washi. It looks like birthday candles, but it's not. It's just color. Very fun. When I was cleaning up my desk, I found this wonderful little deck of cards. I love these. And at St. Vinny's one time I got these. They're a little bit bigger. And then at a St. Vinny's haul I got these. I found these at Meijer, and I thought they were the biggest cards I'd ever seen. But if you watched a recent video, I think it's out, viewer Donna sent me these and a Happy Mail haul. So these quickly went from the biggest cards I'd ever seen to, well, they're not even close. They fit right in the center. I have all kinds and shapes and size of playing cards. What fun is that? The last thing on this particular haul is metallic gold, primarily for gel plate printing, but metallic black. I wonder. I just can't even imagine how that's going to turn out. I hope it's black and really shiny. So we'll have to see. These came from Walmart, I think. These came from Meijer, 75% off. Whole $2. That is my haul for you. I hope that you get to go out and go shopping and find some new toys. Or if you're like most of us, you have way, way, way too many toys. You stop and play with them for a little bit. That'd be awesome. Quickie haul. That's all I got for you today. I hope you have a lovely, lovely crafty day. Love up your Beasleys. Enjoy whatever season it is you're watching this. Take a minute to just stop and be. You take care. We'll chat again soon. I'm gonna take it at the lake. Out for now.